Watts Electronics is a market leader in advanced HVAC systems, handling the entire process from concept and PCBs to final packaging. Watts Electronics has 2 locations. The headquarters and R&D center, which develops and standardizes new products, is in Rosières, France. And the main production facility is in Monastir, Tunisia.
Chez Watts Electronics,
At Watts Electronics, we introduce 30% new product lines every year. Today, we are operating in an increasingly competitive environment, which requires us to reindustrialize and rethink both our processes and our products. It is very important that we move towards standardization and simplification and optimization. We also need to be faster when introducing our new products.
Sur le site de Tunisie, on est spécialisé
In Tunisia, we specialize in manufacturing advanced electronic products for our group and OEM customers. Our product range is extremely diverse, which requires middle-volume, high-mix production. Pure electronic products account for 50% of our production. The other 50% includes final finishing as well as packaging. In terms of middle volume, we have series ranging from 30,000 to 50,000 units. High-mix has 80 series changes in SMT and 160 series changes per week with the manual parts. Obviously, we wanted to standardize operating procedures at both sites to facilitate production and make it more fluid. That's why we thought an MES system would be the right tool. It would give us real-time visibility of what's happening in our production facilities, optimize our ramp-ups, and let us manage operations from Tunisia as well as from Rosières.
Depuis la Tunisie, mais également depuis Rosières.
We have 3 products installed. We have process prep, bomb connector, and obcenter execution system in Monastir. Our engineer in Rosières are using bomb connector to prepare quotation for a new product integration. It was very helpful for us, and it's shrinking time for preparation quotation. Also, the process prep tools is used here in Monastir and in Rosières. It was a great solution to prepare documentation and to prepare the program for our machine. Now we are working with the obcenter execution system. It's a big system and it's needed connectivity with the machine.
The
advantages of the Siemens MES system are helping us to be more agile and more responsive when we program our machines, especially for wave soldering or more manual tasks. We can really track the product start and end times, manage production times, monitor the pace, and react quickly in case of problems or in case of quality defects.
De problèmes ou en cas de défaut qualité, apport que nous apporte le système MES, c'est la digitalisation.
Another benefit of our MES system is the digitization of all the working documents. We have placed access terminals at strategic points throughout our production process. Our operators can directly consult production instructions, and they can interact with the instructions right there. This tool is used as training support for our operators as well. When we do our CMS planning, APS, and SMT scheduling, today is a real asset for planning our production. It helps us define when products will be ready and synchronize different production stages. We can quickly replan if needed. This agility is a real benefit for us and lets us quickly respond to our customers' needs and the different urgent requests we may have in the meantime.
We opted for Siemens and their expert solution partner CDT because we know that Siemens solutions are proven in electronics. We really felt that we were talking to people who work in the same field and that we would get a solution that meets our needs, not a solution that we have to adapt to our needs. And that was the big difference compared to what we saw with other solutions.